I wanna show you how to make the text shake effect in Premiere Pro. Let's go! First of all, just select the text tool and let's write the text. Following, go to the essential graph, and here you can modify the text style, the size, and so on. Next, go to Effects and write Transform. Add the transform effect to your text. Come back to the effects control. By the skew, let's write 4. Then, let's press on the stopwatch icon by the skew axis. Move your timeline slider to the end of the text, and here just increase the value as much as possible to make the shake effect. Uncheck the use composition, and by the shutter angle, let's write 360. Everything is ready, let's see the result. Help to grow this channel, put your like and subscribe.